How to add slow motion in VN Video Editor. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips. Once your project is open, tap on the clip you want to slow down in the timeline. Then select the speed option at the bottom of the screen to access the speed controls. You can either select curve or use regular and adjust the slider to reduce the speed of your clip, creating a slow motion effect. VN allows you to adjust the speed precisely, so you can create slow motion for a dramatic effect or slower motion for a cinematic look. You can also split your clip and apply slow motion to specific parts while keeping the rest at normal speed for creative storytelling. Preview the changes in real time to make sure your slow motion effect fits the scene perfectly. Once you are satisfied with the timing and smoothness of your slow motion clips, your project is ready for the next step. Now you know how to add slow motion in VN Video Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.